Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. IKEA REMTANG lamp. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. And of course we need to make an assembly. It is an IKEA product, as usual. Definitely you need to assemble something. Okay, and we have of course on the manuals. Let's take a look at the manuals. Oh yeah, nice. So I need to use these three metals from aluminium. And I need to insert the one plastic to the other. Perfect. And obviously I need to use these screws. 3 screws are going here at the side. I need a screwdriver. Perfect. And now I need to use this light diffuser, polypropylene plastic, 50% recycled. And that obviously it goes inside here, but you need to start installing from these 2 lines. So that's why we have these small plastics. We need to insert these plastics inside. It will be a little bit tricky to install, but I think I will find it how it goes. These small plastics are going here, one at the top and one at the bottom. So somehow it's holding this plastic. Perfect. And we need another 2 plastics here. That is how it looks. It locks this polypropylene plastic. And then we can install at the bottom and this metal, steel, tight with your hand. Perfect. And then the base. Perfect. You need E27 bulb, maximum 16 watts. In my case, I will use a smart light. Definitely it will be amazing. I will show you. Okay, perfect. Here we have the cable. Let's see how long it is, the cable. Ooh, 2 meters with a switch. It is heavy, metal, very durable. And of course, here at the top, we can install and the cover just like that. No worries, whenever you want, you can remove the cover and replace the bulb. Smart bulb. Perfect. I like the shape. So let's plug it in. What I like most is its simple Scandinavian design, easy of use, and how well it fits into a variety of home interiors. If you are trying to move away from harsh, sterile lighting and want to bring some warmth and character into your space, this lamp is an absolute steal. That plated grey-green shade gives a massive nod to a nostalgic, traditional design, but the clean lines keep it feeling totally modern. Whether you drop the pendant over a dining table or place the table lamp version on a bedside cabinet, it punches way above its price tag in a sheer style. If this video helped you decide whether the IKEA REMTANG is right for your home, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more home product reviews, IKEA finds and practical lifestyle gadgets. Thanks for watching, enjoy your home upgrades and I'll see you in the next one.